Welcome to VLSI drilling channel. Like and subscribe for new learnings. So today we will be trying to understand difference between always and forever in system Verilog. The always block is a procedural block that executes whenever a particular event occurs. Syntax is like this: always at the end event, and when that event occurs, all the statements will be executed between begin and end. For example, always at the rate pos edge clock 1, begin and in between there are various conditions for flag setting. The always block is a procedural block and it cannot be placed inside other procedural blocks. Once the condition is met for the event, then all the conditions will be executed inside. The forever block is a procedural block that executes indefinitely without any triggering event or condition. So here if we see the syntax, it's not waiting for any event, and once forever we write, all the statements will be executed repeatedly. For example, in this initial begin clock 1 equal to 0, forever begin, after some delay we are negating the clock 1. So here it's not waiting for any condition, and forever can be used in a procedural block as well. Now let us see difference between always and forever in nutshell, which generally looks like similar. Always is a synthesizable construct, while forever is a non-synthesizable construct. It's always can be started from t equal to 0. It cannot be started after delay, while forever can be started after some delay as well. Always cannot be used inside procedural block, while forever can be used inside procedural block. Hope you get a better idea about always and forever blocks. Keep learning to keep rocking. Thank you.